The
storms are controllable. When we get thunder and lightning, all it is a combination of sound effects.
Oh!
There's an array of sprinklers near the tops of the trees. Now they shoot the water slightly upwards at first, so it just falls a little bit more naturally. And there you have it. That is a Hollywood-style thunderstorm.
Hide the camera now. It's gonna be a long time.
Okay, guys, you can turn that off now. We get the idea. Weather, guys? Uh-oh. I think they're stuck on.
Oh, look at the water coming.
If I were you, I'd pick up anything on the floor that could get wet. Oh, look at this. Al Roker, I will never down you again. How about that? Yes, this is planned. You want to see how that looks in a movie? Check this out. This is from Big Fat Liar. You can't run the low, kid!
Yeah, we'll see about that.
Hey, you're funny, folks! Just ahead of us, we have another section of Old Mexico. This was in
That was cool.